I want to show you how easy it is to download the images from your session or to order print products or create a book. So really quickly, I have probably shown you this before, but let's just go over it while we can and make it nice and convenient. This is a gallery of my own kiddos. We'll use this as an example today, but your gallery would look very, very similar to this. And to download your images, all you have to do is click download in the top right corner here. You can download the full gallery or just select specific photos if there's some that you don't want to save, or if you've only purchased a few of the images from your session. You can select the ones that you want, and then all you have to do is click download. Here you can put your email in. This is really handy because since your images are larger files, they might take a little while to download, especially when you're downloading the full session. So if you put your email in, then you'll get an email notification as soon as all of your downloads are ready. And that's it. That's how simple it is to download your images. Now, we love sharing our digital images on social media, and if you've done a storybook session with me, you get a custom wooden USB with all of your images on it from your session. But that's not actually the best way to preserve your photos. The best way to preserve your photos is with prints. My personal favorite is having a few displays in my home that I can change out occasionally, which we have lots of great photo products and gifts that I will get to in just a little bit. But I also really, really love to have a photo album. This can be a coffee table book, a conversation piece in your home. It can be displayed or kept safely on a bookshelf where you just pull it down occasionally. And my kids love to flip through old photo albums and talk about the memories and laugh about the photos that we have there. So by far for me, a book is the best. They really just outlast all of the technological changes that other formats of saving images has, whether it's a disc or a USB or whatever, a floppy disk. We've gone through so many. But photo albums last forever. So as you can see I clicked order album. I hear my kids making a racket in the back. And then you can pick the different size that you want here. But first, it has the description, and it kind of shows you up here the layout of the book, so you get a sneak preview of the color scheme it would have and the type of grid board. So you have pre-made designs that would fit the theme of your session, and there's so many fantastic options. I typically, if I'm doing a little fun, like if my kids have had like a birthday party or something that I photographed, I might do something a little bit more playful with some extra designs, but typically I like to just keep it pretty simple and do like a gray, black, or white backdrop so that the photos really stand out and pop. And down here you see that you have the option to have a photo cover versus just the black cover with the design inside. So many options. Let's just choose one. Let's go here. I like this one. Give this a second to load. Here you pick the size that you want and the paper. So stock paper, the lab that I've partnered with is excellent quality, which is why obviously I chose them, and I've always been happy with everything I've gotten from them. The pearl has a bit of a sheen on it, a little bit more glossy, and I do really like that finish, but the stock finish is good too. Then you can choose the number of pages that you want, the quantity, and then you can hit preview, and it will take all of the images from the gallery that you are in and make your book for you, which is super simple. And you can go ahead and improve the designs by scrolling through here and seeing if you like the way everything looks. If there are some things that you don't love, if there are some photos that you want to exclude, sorry, I'm clicking around too fast, and again, like I said, these are larger images, so we do want that to give it a second to load. So as you can see, all I have to do here is click and drag to arrange the layout of this, and then it leaves this space here empty. So as the image goes into the fold of the book, it's not going to crop anything off. So it's made it just super user-friendly and easy for you to get an idea of what the design is going to be. And you can also adjust the zoom here. And then as it said, everything inside the red line will be printed and outside the red area may get cut off. So I love how easy it is and fun to play around with some different designs. So this shows you all the pages here. Now, if you want it, oh, what did I do? Oh no. Okay. let's go back. It's simple if you're not me, and don't mess things up like that. Because I love my Mac, but if you slide your fingers around too crazily, if you get a little chaotic, then it just kind of messes you up. So since we chose an album that doesn't have the photo cover, it just has a black cover, you can choose the cloth cover that you want. If you want to have a bookshelf display that's super monotone and not distracting, then it's easy just to, you can have all gray books or something, or you can even create a rainbow of sessions. Or if you want to identify from the book bind very quickly what type of session it is, then choose a photo cover so you can display that on your bookshelf. And then you can add some print if you want, or just leave it blank. Okay, let's go back. So as you can see, tons of customizable options. I always encourage my clients to contact me and ask any questions if they have them, but I also think that this is a super user-friendly setup that I love and encourage everybody to use so that you get the most out of the images from your session. Here, I want to drag that up and center that. And then if you wanted to change the photos here, you can click right here, change photo, select the one from the gallery that you want, and drag and drop it into the frame that you want. And then just go through page by page. And then when you're done, look through it again, make sure everything looks good. Everything's inside the red lines. They're not get cropped out, centered the way you want. And then click add to cart. We're just going to say continue because we're not going to do all this. It's telling you like some of your things are getting cropped off. Do you want to fix that? Yeah, but not right now. Okay. Added to shopping cart. Now we can continue shopping, go back to our gallery, or view the cart right now. Let's go back to our gallery and take a look at some of the print products we have. Oh, let me turn this music off. Shush, 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 shush. Okay. Buy. So let's select some photos. Love this. Love this. Love this. Love this. That one, I don't know. Is it a little mean to add that one to the gallery? I just think his little face is so cute. And this was his first time at the beach. And he realized that the waves will come back and kind of spit at you. And he was not happy about that. Anyway, okay. Let's go to buy selected. So here, look at all this fun stuff. We have home decor, canvas prints, metal, and stands. And I will do a separate video showing y'all the beauty of the metal prints that I love. Here's simple prints if you just want to get, if you want to fill some frames in, if you switch photos out pretty often at home and you want to have some simple prints to switch out of your frames, or if you want to get some wallets, some people still like to do that. You totally have that. And then here's another area you can order your albums and books. We've already kind of viewed our selections there. And then we have fun gifts, which this changes seasonally. So right now I just have, if you really want to slap your photo on a t-shirt, you can do that. These are such fun gifts, like especially for grandparents. A mug, because why not? That's always great too. And then here you can have kind of different, this is for the accordion minis, which personal story, but I made one of these for my daughter of my mom after she passed away and just filled it with photos of my mom. It's two-sided, so this is one side and then there's the other side, and it folds up and it's just like a little handbook, and that is super special to her. She always sorry, I'm getting distracted, I'm clicking around too much. She keeps it in her room. She'll carry it around with her sometimes. And it's just something that she has anytime she's thinking about her Mimi. She can grab it and look at it and talk about her. So it's just an example of what this can be used for. It's a great gift. But we really like the accordion minis in our house. Aluminum bookmark, luggage tag, magnet. And then we even have iPhone cases, which... there's so many, and some of y'all might have an outdated phone, no judgment here, that I didn't add. So that's always, again, something, contact me and let me know, like, hey, I want to make a phone cover, but I didn't see my phone type in the product selection. Let me know, and I can probably add it and get you taken care of. Okay, guys, I think that's enough info for today. As you can see, so much to play around with and have fun with. I'll do another video soon and show y'all the metal prints versus like the pearl finish and all the types of, sorry, turn that music down, cool things we can do. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.